The discussion on the confidence motion will continue in the Lok Sabha today. The lower house of parliament took up the motion for discussion yesterday. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi initiated discussion on the motion. He said the India alliance has moved the no confidence motion on the Manipur issue because the state demands justice. He questioned as to why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not visited Manipur so far. He said women had to face atrocities in the state. Mr. Gogoi questioned the Manipur Chief Minister, alleging he failed to maintain peace and law and order in the state. Participating in the discussion, Nisikant Dubey of BJP questioned the unity of the newly formed INDIA alliance. He alleged that during the Congress rule, several cases were filed and action was taken against the leaders of opposition parties, including Samajwadi Party, RJD and TMC. Saugata Roy of TMC said the BJP had sent a delegation to West Bengal, but not a single delegation was sent to Manipur. Supriya Sult of NCP demanded the resignation of Manipur Chief Minister over the violence. Dimple Yadav of Samajwadi Party also raised concern over the human rights violations in Manipur. Pinaki Mishra of BJD opposed the no confidence motion, saying that it is doomed to fail. Questioning the disruption made by the opposition parties in the House, he said disrupted politics had not paid dividends in the past and is not going to do so in the future. Arvind Sawant of Shiv Sena UBT alleged that Centre was silent on the Manipur issue for 70 days. Mr. Sawant said the government has failed in doing its duty. Sunita Dagilt of BJP, Simranjit Singh of Mant of SADM and Thol. Thiruma Balanan of VCK also spoke on the no confidence motion. Independent MP Navneet Rana said opposition parties do not care about women of atrocities against them. She said they are raising the Manipur issue but are silent on violence against women in states like Rajasthan. RSP leader N.K. Premachandran said the people of Manipur have lost confidence in the Chief Minister of the state. Union Minister Narayan Rani Sunita Dagilt of BJP, Simranjit Singh Man of SADM and Thol Thiruvalanam of VCK, M. Arif of CPI-M also spoke on the no confidence motion. The discussion on the no confidence motion will continue in the Lok Sabha today. The lower house of parliament took up the motion for discussion yesterday. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi initiated discussion on the motion. He said that INDIA alliance has moved the no confidence motion of Manipur issue because the state demands justice. He questioned as to why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not visited Manipur so far. He said women had to face atrocities in the state. Mr. Gogoi questioned the Manipur Chief Minister, alleging he failed to maintain peace and law and order in the state. Participating in the discussion, Nisikant Dubey of the BJP questioned the unity of the newly formed INDIA alliance.